this one out. Do you see? It's moving. That's number 4. Number 1. Can you see that? How's it? I hope you cracked. Fistomatic over here. Welcome to F.M.W. So today we're working on, you guessed it, it's a Golf. It's another Golf one. Hey, this one is troublesome. But let me introduce you to the car. Okay, so this one is a 1.4 carburetor. 2006, I think, the model. As you can see, the tailpipe, there's only single tailpipe, 1.4. There's not an I. It's a carbureted car. Alright, so with this one, guys, customer called me up and said, I'm stuck. The car didn't have power and then it had a funny noise. So, hey, unfortunately, the guy that was the guy that was explaining all this to me was a guy that is not mechanically inclined. He's just a guy, simple guy. He's into soccer, not into cars. So yeah, long story short, we went to fetch the car yesterday. It's not idling right now, it's not on. So yeah, you have to see. They drained the oil, they took one cup, the Conrad cup out, and then it was scarred. It was bad. I'll show you later in the video. So let me just crack on and check up the car and start work. I'll try to film everything, guys, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and do all those other things. Now we're just getting into the job. Yeah, so right now I'm about to dismantle everything, every little thing that you see here. I'm gonna dismantle, I'm gonna disassembly. First up, I'm gonna take these 6 bolts underneath the car. Those are for the exhaust manifold. I'm just gonna loosen them up because you can't take it's easier on these cars. It's easier to take the bolt over here and then take everything as is, as one piece. Take the manifold with the top cylinder as one piece, and then when you got the cylinder head out of the car, then you can disassemble the manifold from the cylinder head. So let me show you the bolts that I'm talking about. Alright. Yeah, these are the bolts that I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's nothing over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's another one over here. Whoa, apparently not. Okay, so we're actually working with 4 bolts. Yeah, okay, yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be busy with. So yeah, bear with me. Alright guys, now we're cracking on. We're just removing the cylinder head from the block and all the ancillaries. Yeah, let's crack on. There's one part I hate. Car silicone like this. If something is worn, just buy the entire gasket. You see, one of these things, they drip into the inside of the engine, and then it creates more problems. Sometimes it creates a blockage. Hey, Remember what I was talking about? Right about here. Check what silicone does when oil mixes with it. Do you see what it does? You don't want that in your motor, guys. Anyway, let's crack on.
keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice listen up. Before you I will. You should be here with me.